In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm your Barclays bank account in PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly which option to choose and how to complete the process smoothly, whether you prefer instant verification or the small deposit method. Start by signing into your PayPal account and heading to your wallet. This is where all your funding source is live. On desktop, you'll see wallet in the top menu. In the mobile app, you'll find it in the navigation bar. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right account and that your internet connection is stable, so nothing times out while you're verifying. Next, select your Barclays bank account from the list. You might see it under banks and cards. If you have more than one Barclays account added, double check you're picking the correct one you want to confirm. Once selected, PayPal will show you two ways to confirm the account. The first option is instant confirmation. Choose this if you want to verify right away. PayPal will prompt you to log into your Barclays online banking through a secure window. Follow the on-screen prompts just as you would when you normally sign in. This connects to Barclays securely, verifies your ownership, and in most cases confirms the account within minutes. Stay on the page until you see confirmation and avoid closing the browser or app mid-process. The second option is small deposits. With this method, PayPal sends two tiny amounts to your Barclays account. These are often just a few pence each. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days for them to appear, so don't worry if you don't see them immediately. When they arrive, check your Barclays statement in your banking app or online banking. Look for 2 separate PayPal deposits and note the exact amounts. Once you have those amounts, return to your PayPal wallet, open your Barclays bank entry again, and enter the 2 deposit values exactly as shown on your statement. Be precise with pounds and pence. Even a small typo can cause the confirmation to fail. After you submit the amounts, PayPal will confirm your bank account. If you chose instant confirmation and ran into an error, you can try again later or switch to the small deposits option. And if the deposits haven't shown up after 3 business days, give it a little more time or recheck your statement filters. Remember, those small deposits are temporary and may be reversed after verification, which is normal. And that's it, your Barclays bank account is now confirmed in PayPal. This helps ensure smooth transfers and adds an extra layer of trust to your payments.